So you've planned and organized your trip abroad, and it's the night before you hit your flight, and yet you still need to pack. I don't know about you, but for me, packing is the least favorite part of the trip. I am going to show you what to pack and how to turn this mess from this into this in no time. Before we get to the carry-on packing, I thought I would talk about packing your toiletry essentials. Now for those items, I always pack with this little buddy right here. This is called the Packism clear makeup bag, and I found this on Amazon. I'll be sure to provide you with the link below so you can check it out. This comes in a set of 2 or 3 in various sizes and in different colors. It's TSA approved. As you can see, it's clear. When you're going through TSA, they won't need to open your bag. They can just clearly see everything that they need to see and send you on your way. I did have a bigger size bag that I wanted to show you. However, my lovely husband lost it. But lucky for him, this little buddy can pack a punch. Now, when you're packing with your toiletries, you want to make sure you are packing with travel size items. And you don't need to worry about your lotions, your shower gel, or your shower puffies. You'll be able to get those bulky items once you reach your final destination. And now I am going to show you how much this little buddy can store. There you have it. Everything is packed away nice and neat, clear, so TSA can just see what they need to see and again send you on your way. Also, these are really good in case you have to travel with medication, but you want to make sure that you keep all your medicines in their scripted bottle. Don't take them out. You can pack them in here. That way TSA can read what your prescriptions are for. They won't have to pull you aside. As a family of 4 traveling abroad, we normally go on vacation for 2 weeks. And in that 2-week period of time, we only carry 1 carry-on bag each and also 1 personal item, which is usually a backpack for my husband and my teen daughter and son. And for me, I usually just make sure I have a tote bag in my luggage. I usually bring 2 or 3 of them because you will need them when you are traveling, going through your day. You're going to go to the grocery store. You're going to go shopping for souvenirs. And the reason why I say make sure you have a tote bag with you is because when you are shopping in the stores, especially the souvenir stores, what I found out was in Slovakia and Slovenia, they will ask you if you would like a bag. Now, the reason why they're asking you that is because if they give you a bag, they're going to charge you for it. You're going to be charged just a couple of coins, between 30 and 50 cents per bag. So you either pay for the bag. This is my souvenir bag and I love it, from Slovenia. Or make sure you have your tote bag or have your backpack. That way you won't have to worry about being charged for it. If you are traveling during the spring and summer season, it's so much easier to pack away your items because you're traveling with lighter items. And I usually pack away 1 pair of pants, 3 to 4 pair of shorts, 4 to 5 t-shirts, 1 set of sleepwear, and 2 additional bras. Now, no matter how long we are away, whenever we go on a trip, this has always been my habit. I always pack away 2 pair of underwear for one day for an entire week. The reason why I do that, you know, mama always say, make sure you have on clean underwear. You're going to have on clean underwear. The reason why I do that is because you're busy, you're walking, you're moving during the day in your underwear. So when you come back to your Airbnb or your hotel, you are going to take a shower. You ain't putting on dirty underwear, you're putting on fresh underwear. So that is exactly why I pack away 2 pairs of underwear for one day each for an entire week. So at the end of the week or in the middle of that week, I am doing another wash. Now socks. For me, socks, you only need 3 pairs of socks because you can rewear your socks. It's not a big deal. And I always have everybody pack a pair of flip-flops or slippers in their backpack or in their travel bag because mama don't put her bare feet on nobody's floor. No ma'am, not gonna happen. And I normally don't pack another pair of shoes because usually the shoes that I'm wearing, which is tennis shoes, that's what I go with when we travel abroad or travel anywhere. I don't have a need to have high heels, sandals. I want to be comfortable, so I don't ever pack another pair of shoes with me. I always just wear the shoes that I'm wearing on the day of travel. Now, I will say this last trip that we were on, we really could have used some hiking shoes. I was going to buy them, but kind of slipped my mind and I never did buy hiking shoes for anybody. So if by chance any of you happen to have a favorite brand, a great hiking shoe that I can look at and possibly buy, please let me know because I am in the market for looking for hiking shoes now. Now, traveling away for 2 weeks, you do not need to pack the kitchen sink. And there are 2 major reasons why you don't need to overpack. The first reason is because wherever your final destination is, either an Airbnb or a hotel, you will have laundry facilities to wash your clothes. You don't have to overpack your bag because you're afraid you're going to run out of clean clothes. More than likely, depending on the Airbnb or the hotel you pick, you will have access to either have a washer or a washer and a dryer. Now, I say that because in some countries, like the last trip that we went to Spain, it was a lovely Airbnb. However, they only had a washer. It was a small, compact washer. You know, in America, we're used to these big, bunky things, but they only had a compact washer, and that was okay. I was able to wash our clothes, and like the locals do, I did. There was a line outside the balcony, and I just hung our clothes to air dry. So trust me, you will be able to use laundry facilities when you travel abroad, so you don't need to overpack thinking you're going to run out of clothes. Now, the second reason why you don't need to overpack, you want to go shopping. You got to get some new souvenirs. You got to get some new t-shirts, some hoodies, maybe a pair of pants, a new dress or 2, maybe buy yourself a new pair of shoes. So yes, please, you got to leave room in your bag because you know you want to come back with some good stuff. Yes. Packing. Since I have been doing a lot of packing for plenty of trips that we've taken, I think I prefer the roll method versus the fold method when it comes to packing shirts. To me, it seems like the shirts don't have so many wrinkles. It gives you more space in your bag, and don't quote me on this, but it seems like it may actually help the weight of your bag when TSA puts it on the scale. I will just say I haven't had to move anything around or take anything out the bags after they weighed it. So it may work. You have to try it, see for yourself. And if it don't work, don't come back to me because I don't have nothing to do with it. But I'm sure now you are ready for the grand finale. I've done a lot of talking, so now it's time for me to actually go to work and pack. And there you have it. Everything packed away in one carry-on only, which includes your toiletry bag. Now, by the way, don't forget, check the link below for the toiletry bags in case there is a set and a color that you might like to have for yourself. Anyway, I enjoyed visiting with you today. If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe. And as I always say, until next time, peace, love, and keep traveling. Bye.